What's up guys, Mr. LNC here, checking out a very special Christmas snow globe packed very safely in styrofoam in this very cool gift box. Even includes a greeting card you can fill out and give to somebody. And here is the snow globe itself. So it's made to be hung, or you can set it on the cupboard or wherever you like. Here's the power cord. It's a USB to power cord. This is gorgeous. My Christmas memories are all coming back to me now, all the years. And this is what it looks like plugged in with that power cord. What a beautiful display right here. And remember, you can hang this up. This can also be battery powered. We're going to explore that option now. Oh, everyone loves Christmas. Hi, Gracie. You love it? We're making our own Christmas memory. Bottom's easily removed here. And there's room for 3 AAAs. Battery operated. Look at the walls around me. They're dancing with lights. It's incredible snow globe. And it's fully battery operated right now. I have half a mind to go over to the neighbor's house and start some Christmas carols. Silent night. What it looks like in pitch black darkness. Absolutely stunning. It's making this beautiful light effect. So yeah, I can't wait to show my mom and my wife this. They're into beautiful decorations, and this one just touches the heart for Christmas. So thank you so much for checking it out, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.